Is ATAS actually worth the money, or is it just another trading platform with nice heatmap and footprints? In this video, I will show you exactly what ATAS does and what it's bad at, what it's good at, and most importantly, for who this software is. I've been using ATAS myself for 2 years now, so I will try to give you as objective review as possible. So by the end of this video, you will exactly know if ATAS is for you or not. Let's dive into it. Before we go any further, let me be honest with you about who this video is for, because ATAS is not for everyone. If you trade futures, crypto or stocks using footprints chart, delta, absorption or the DOM, then keep watching, because ATAS is one of the best all-in-one tools for exactly that. But if you are happy with TradingView and you never look at volume at all, then honestly, ATAS is overkill for you and you can save a lot of money. I would rather tell you that right now than waste your time. So, what ATAS shows that TradingView can't? Simply said, ATAS is full analytical terminal built around volume and order flow. It is not just a heat map, it's complete package. Here's what ATAS gives you. First, the footprint chart. This is where the real story is. On a normal candle, you see open, high, low and close. On a footprint, you see exactly how many contracts were bought and sold at every single price level inside that candle. You can see where buyers were aggressive, where sellers step in, and where price got absorbed. Second, the DOM, depth of market. Thanks to that, you can see the big limit orders sitting in the order book waiting to be filled. Third, volume profile and the heat map. The volume profile shows you where 70% of total traded volume actually occurred during that specific time period. It will show you where is point of control, it will show you where is volume area high, volume area low, low volume nodes, high volume nodes, etc. And trust me, these are very important volume levels for intraday and scalping. And the heat map shows you the liquidity sitting in the order book in real time along with its history. So it's basically depth of market, DOM, but with more detailed and more historical view. And here's the thing. The mistake people make is trading these levels as a support and resistance, which isn't always true. These levels are point of interest, not automatic bounces. Whether the price bounces or breaks depends on the aggressive participants, and that's exactly what these tools let you see. ATAS also has a cluster search, delta indicators and built-in tools for spotting absorption and iceberg setups. So if you want to trade like a pro and not like a retail trader, this is the kind of information you want to work with. So if there is one thing that makes ATAS top tier, it's definitely its variety of features all in one place. That's what I value the most. Now, everything I just showed you sounds great, but here's the part nobody talks about in the ads. The cons. First, the learning curve. ATAS is not beginner friendly. If you don't already understand order flow, delta, absorption and how DOM works, for the first week you will be completely lost. Simply said, this platform assumes you know what you are looking at. Luckily for you, on our website and on our YouTube channel we have plenty of content so you can learn how ATAS works and what's the foundation of it. I'll leave you a link to our website in the video description below. Second, the data feed. The software is one cost, but you still need data. You'll need to connect a broker or pay for data feed like Rhythmic or DX feed. That's an extra cost. So a lot of people think that if they buy ATAS, they will automatically receive a data feed. That's not true. Data feed itself is another cost. On this channel, there is a video called ATAS Full Guide or something like that. And in that video, there's a part where I mentioned data connection, how to choose the right data provider for the best price as possible. So definitely watch it. I'll leave you a link up here in the card. Third con is occasional bugs during backtesting. Sometimes you have to restart replay mode to get it to work properly, but I think it's just a matter of an update. And I firmly believe that a year after this video, this issue won't be in ATAS anymore. Alright, so now I will play a live example from one of my previous live trading videos where you will see how I use some function of ATAS in real life markets. In this part, I use heatmap and footprints. There's also other functions like volume profile, DOM, etc. But in that live example, you will see heatmap and footprints. What I want you to pay attention to is these two orders, limit orders down here. These are limit buy orders. And the bubbles are aggressive participants. So take a look at how the aggressive participants will react to these two orders. Here we can see first fill of this order, which is 26 contracts. The second order, which is below, was removed from the market. As you can see, there is gap between this order and this order. So this previous order was removed, and then we have another order below with total size of 29 contracts. As I told you, pay attention to these aggressive bubbles. We can see a lot of sellers' aggression, but the price is not dropping lower. So this is the first sign of potential absorption. In this case, I would enter long because there is a lot of absorbed sellers' aggression, and we can see some aggressive buying coming into the market. But there is another relatively big order down here with a size of 30 contracts. So I want to see another absorption around these levels. And this is precisely the moment. We have clear absorption here of aggressive participants hitting this limit order, and at the same time, interest in aggressive buying has increased and is being respected. Therefore, this is my entry into the position with a stop loss below this candle. When I zoom out this heat map, you can see exactly what I was talking about. Limit orders that absorbed all the aggressive selling. Right here, a major player built their positions using limit orders, and they made profit on this move. It's literally a few ticks, and the position itself isn't that big, but still, when you do some calculations, it's relatively decent profit in a short amount of time. Alright, so now let's take a look at pricing. There are in total 4 plans that you can choose from: Start, Plus, Pro and Ultra. Which plan to choose? It's very simple. If you trade stocks and futures, you will need the Pro version or Ultra version, because these two plans allows you to track these instruments without delay. Start and Plus version allows you to track these instruments but with 15-minute delay, which is very ineffective in my opinion, especially for intraday traders and scalpers. If you choose to purchase one of the plans on 3-month or annual buying cycle, your final monthly cost will be significantly lower than if you bought it month to month. However, what I would do is I would use free version on crypto first to test all the features, including the free heatmap, and after that I would upgrade to Pro or Ultra. I will leave you registration link for ATAS demo in the video description below, along with the discount code you can use if you decide to buy it. So, is ATAS worth it? Here's my honest verdict. If you trade order flow, footprints charts, delta absorptions, or with the DOM for example, then yes, ATAS offers significantly better value for your money than almost anything else on the market. It's a complete all-in-one workstation, and for most traders it's cheaper than Bookmap while giving you far more tools. Let's do a quick comparison between ATAS and Bookmap. Neither is bad, they simply cater to different types of traders. Bookmap is for ultra-quick DOM scalpers who needs every single tick visualized with maximum precision. ATAS, on the other hand, is for trader who wants the full arsenal: footprints, volume profile, DOM and heatmap, all in one place, without jumping between apps, and for cheaper price. So, now you should have a clear idea of whether the ATAS is the right fit for you. If you want to test it yourself, I left a link in the description below, along with the discount code in case you decide to buy it. I will keep the discount code updated, so you will always get the best prices possible. Alright, so that's everything from my side. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any following question about this topic, feel free to ask in the comment section down below.